The UK's creative visa. No English test required, no education needed. This is your opportunity to settle in the UK hassle-free. Seize this chance to pursue your dreams and aspirations in a welcoming environment. Embrace the vibrant culture and endless opportunities awaiting you. Let your talent shine bright without linguistic or academic barriers. Take the leap and make the UK your home. This is your moment to thrive. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Let's go to UK. UK is waiting for you. UK Creative Visa is designed for individuals who demonstrate exceptional talent or promise in the fields of science, engineering, humanities, medicine, digital technology, arts, and culture. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on the complete process. Check eligibility. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria, including being endorsed as a leader or emerging leader in your field by a recognized UK endorsing body. Choose an endorsing body. Identify the endorsing body most relevant to your field. For the creative sector, this could be Arts Council England, British Academy of Film and Television Arts BAFTA, or other relevant organizations. Obtain endorsement. Apply to the chosen endorsing body for endorsement. This typically involves submitting evidence of your achievements and a statement detailing your contributions to your field. If the endorsing body agrees, they will issue you an endorsement letter. Prepare documents. Gather necessary documents including your passport, evidence of your achievements, awards, publications, exhibitions, performances, etc. Curriculum vitae CV, letter of endorsement from the endorsing body, proof of English language proficiency, and any other required documentation. Apply online. Complete online visa application form on the UK government website. Create an account and fill in the form accurately. Pay the visa fee. Biometric competentin. After submitting your application online, schedule an appointment to provide your biometric information, fingerprints, and photograph at a visa application center. Optional. Fast track service. Consider using the priority or super priority service for faster processing, if available in your country. Attend an interview if required. In some cases, applicants may be asked to attend an interview as part of the application process. Prepare for this by reviewing your achievements and practicing interview questions. Wait for a decision once you've submitted your application and attended your biometric appointment if required. Wait for a decision on your visa application. Processing times vary but typically take a few weeks. Collect your visa. If your visa application is successful, you'll be notified and asked to collect your visa either from the visa application center or by post. Travel to Thug. Once you have your visa, you can travel to the UK. Make sure to comply with any conditions attached to your visa, such as the requirement to register with the police if applicable. Apply for settlement optional. If you plan to settle in the UK permanently, you may be eligible to apply for settlement indefinite leave to remain after meeting certain residency requirements. It's essential to carefully review the specific requirements and guidelines provided by the UK government, as immigration policies can change, and different visa categories may have unique criteria and procedures.